Welcome back to My Crazy Quiz. Guess the capital cities of India. They're ranked from easy to impossible. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to My Crazy Quiz. Let's start with easy level. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Amravati. Do you know the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Answer this before timer ends. Itanagar. Now answer this question. Which of the following is the capital of Assam? Answer is Dispur. Guess the capital of Bihar. Patna. Get ready for next one. Which one is the capital of Chhattisgarh? Answer is Raipur. What is the capital of Goa? A, B, or C? Let's see how sharp you are. Panaji. From the following options, guess the capital of Gujarat. Gandhinagar. Haryana state capital name is Chandigarh. Can you answer this one? What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Shimla. Guess the capital of Jharkhand. Ranchi. Wow, easy level completed. Get ready for medium level. Name the capital of Karnataka state. Bengaluru. What is the capital city of Kerala? Answer this before timer ends. Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh state has which capital city? A, B, or C? Bhopal. Get ready for next one. Which is the capital of Maharashtra state? Mumbai. Can you guess the capital city of Manipur? Imphal. Meghalaya's capital city name is? Time is very less. Answer quickly. Shillong. Get ready for next one. What is the capital of Mizoram? Aizawl. Guess the capital of Nagaland. Kohima. Which one is the capital of Odisha? Time is very less. Answer quickly. Bhubaneswar. Can you answer this one? Name the capital of Punjab state. Chandigarh. It is a common capital of Haryana and Punjab state. Now, get ready for hard level. What is the capital of Rajasthan? Jaipur. Now answer this question. Identify the capital city of Sikkim State. Gangtok. Guess the Tamil Nadu's capital. Answer this before timer ends. Chennai. What is the capital city of Telangana? Time is very less. Answer quickly. Hyderabad. Can you guess the capital of Tripura? Agartala. Which option is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? A, B, or C? Lucknow. Wow, you entered in the impossible level. Name the capital city of Uttarakhand. Dehradun. Get ready for next one. Name the capital of West Bengal. Time is very less. Answer quickly. Kolkata. What is the capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli? Daman. Now identify the capital of Union Territory, Delhi. Answer this before timer ends. New Delhi. Guess the capital of Union Territory, Jammu and Kashmir. Both A and B, that is in summer Srinagar, in winter Jammu. What is the capital of Union Territory, Ladakh? Both A and B, that is Leh and Kargil.